Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a Google Map location QR code. Let us start by opening the Google Maps app on your mobile device. Once you are in, make a location. You just need to tap on it from the map and it will be marked. Next, tap on this arrow icon that appears on your screen. Now drag the screen and tap on the copy option from here. As there is no direct option for creating a QR code, here we will need an online app to generate it. So now open your web browser. Here, search for QR Code Monkey. Tap on the first link from here. In the URL section, paste the link you have copied from Snapchat. Then scroll down and tap on Create QR Code. Now wait for a few minutes. After some time, your QR code will be generated so that you can send this to anyone and share your location. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.